what's going on? Welcome to another RF Creations video. This is going to be an exciting episode. You saw the title. But before we get into that, I wanted to give you guys an update and show you what's going on with the cars these days. So, starting with my father's S13. My father has been working hard on this car these days. Let me show you guys. It's coming along. It's almost ready to start. My father went ahead and completely refreshed the whole engine. Everything is fresh, new oil pump, water pump, new rings, new valve seals, you name it, everything is new on this engine. So we're now waiting on the fuel pump to arrive and some accessories so we can start it. I'm very excited for my father. His car is almost ready to hit the streets. There you have it, guys. A lot of people want to see this car on the streets. They love it. I love it too. I think it looks amazing. So stay tuned for that. As for the DSM, guys, as you saw on the last episode, I just received a lot of parts for the engine to go back in. I'm still missing my manifold. I'm waiting for that to come in so we can put the engine back. But as for the interior, let me show you guys. As we speak, Chino is working on the front seats of the interior. As you guys know, I went back to the OEM front seats, so it's a little bit crowded in here right now, but you guys can see it's turning out amazing, like new. I'm really excited for this car to get done and so we can enjoy it. Very excited for this car, guys. As you can see, the interior looks like new. I'm waiting for the seats to get done so we can put it in. And also I have to order my carbonetics airbag delete. Still missing that, so we can complete the interior. So guys, switching over to the S13, the only thing that's keeping us from driving this car is the brakes. You already know that I don't have brakes on this car, but I have a whole R33 brake set to have installed on this car, but we haven't had the time yet to do it. But we'll work on it for sure very soon so we can have this thing on the road. So guys, that was a quick update for you guys on the cars, just to let you guys know what's going on with the cars. And also guys, I get a lot of questions about the RX-7. As you guys know, we have to finish the DSM project first before we can start on the RX-7 project, because they are very expensive cars to build. So we have to finish this first and then we'll continue on the RX-7. If you guys want to help out, please help me out by sharing my videos. Help me out by subscribing to the channel. The more subscribers we get, the more watch time we get, the more opportunities we have to grow, and maybe in the future we can also get monetized, and that way we can bring more awesome content for you guys on the channel. So if you haven't, please make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, leave it down in the comment section below. It means a lot to me. So that being said, guys, let's continue with the video. So guys, the time has come for you guys to find out what you really want to know. I'm talking about Maxpeedingrods. As you guys saw in the title, I've been given the opportunity and the honor to be sponsored by Maxpeedingrods. So to make a long story short, guys, I woke up one morning, took my phone, went through my DMs. I received a message from Jack from Maxpeedingrods telling me that they've been watching my videos, they like the content of the channel, and they would like to offer me a sponsorship. Guys, I got excited because it's been a huge dream of mine since I started the channel to be able to work with car companies, and what better way to start a journey than with Maxpeedingrods. But wait, I have great news for you guys, because you guys are benefiting from this too, because Maxpeedingrods is giving to all my viewers and subscribers 15% off of their purchase. All you gotta do is go to maxpeedingrods.com, select your desired product, head to checkout, use coupon code RWEB, and immediately you'll receive 15% off of your entire purchase. Guys, don't waste any more time. Go to maxpeedingrods.com and make that special person happy. Make yourself happy. Even Nyla is happy, guys. Check her out. I'm happy because they even sent me a gift. Let's check it out, guys. Check this out, guys. Ooh. Foreman. Got a cool card. And this is the product, guys. Alright, guys, so what we have here is a slide hammer puller with which I got to choose. I'm very excited, guys. It's a cool tool to have in your garage for sure, and this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and share this video so we can grow. And I want to send a huge thank you to Jack and Jamie from Maxpeedingrods for making this possible. And also thank you to all of you guys who are supporting the channel. But above all, thanks to the boss upstairs, because without him, none of this would have been possible. That being said, you guys take care. See you in the next video and keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.